Did you know that someone once walked away from Jesus himself because of money? Picture this. A rich young man runs up to Jesus, drops to his knees, and asks the most important question ever. "Good teacher, what must I do to have eternal life?" Jesus lists the commandments. Don't murder, don't steal, don't lie, honor your parents. The young man's eyes light up. "Teacher, I've done all these things since I was a child." Jesus looks at him with love. Then comes the moment that changes everything. "There's one thing you lack. Go sell everything you have, give it to the poor, then come follow me." The man's face falls. His shoulders drop. He turns around and walks away sad. Think about that. This man met Jesus face to face. He had a personal invitation to follow the Son of God, but his money meant more to him than eternal life. Jesus turns to his disciples and says something that shocks them. It's easier for a camel to go through a needle's eye than for a rich person to enter God's kingdom. Money was the one thing his wealth couldn't buy him out of.